In this video, I will show you how to edit packing slip on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we just need to head over in here on our settings. And then in here, you can see your settings. So just head over and then click on this shipping and delivery. And then after that, you should be able to see this. So head over and scroll down. And in here, you can see interior packing slips, which is actually the second to the last option. So click on this edit template. And in here, you can see your actual code for this particular template, and you can edit it out however you want. So for example, you can put in here the order title as well as a class, shop title, uppercase, and all of these things. So you can actually edit out the code that you have right here. It totally depends on you if you want to actually adjust this thing. So in here, let's see the preview of that. Click on this preview template, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the actual look of that. So in here, we have in here my store, as well as the delivery to this address and bill to this address, as well as a date, quantity, t-shirt, or items that they have actually choose, as well as delivery instructions and all of these things right here. So you can edit it out however you want, and you can actually add some more things that you want for this one. Like for example, we can actually just delete this. And if you choose to delete it, you can just head over and click on the saved option, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.